We are started with question number 5 of your chapter 4, sodium sulfate. Now sodium sulfate has, first of all you have to write down in words sodium sulfate because they wanted you to know it. Sulfate group SO4 Na stands for sodium, so it is sodium sulfate. Now Na2 means what? 2 atom of sodium. S means 1 atom of sulfur. O4 means 4 atoms of oxygen is there. Now children, let us write down the atomic masses of all. You can refer to your textbook, page number 51, where almost all the atomic weights of the required atoms are given. So sulfur is 32 plus oxygen. Oxygen is 16. So you are going to write down everything. Now you are going to multiply each one with that number of atoms. उसके बाद में you are going to do the addition. So first multiplication and then addition. So 2 into 23 is 46 plus 1 into 32 is 32 plus 4 into 16. 16 fours are 64. So let us do the addition now. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 142. So we have 142 Dalton is the molecular mass of the sodium sulfate. So this is how you are going to find out for all. So let us do now for K2CO3. K2CO3 means K. K is what? Potassium. And CO3 means carbonate group. So potassium carbonate. So how much? First of all you write down K2CO3, which means what? You are going to have 2 atoms of potassium plus 1 atom of carbon plus 3 atom of oxygen. So you have, now let us find out the molecular atomic mass of potassium. Potassium is 39 plus 1, carbon is 12 and oxygen is 16. So 39 twos are 78 plus 12 plus 48.
Down is not able to see.
Yes, yes. So 138 Dalton will be the atomic mass. Oh, sorry, molecular mass.
After that 138, what you written?
U means the Dalton. 138 U. It's a unit of the molecular mass. Okay. So for every sum you are going to write down U. Notation for Dalton. Now let us go towards the next sum. Have you all completed this?
Yes, teacher, we have completed.
So now third one. CO2. What is it? Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Those who have done the exercise of 51 page, they will find it easy to do it. The homework which was given by me.
Yes, teacher, we have done.
So you can do along with me quickly. Carbon dioxide, you have CO2, that means one atom of carbon and two atom of oxygen. That means 12, 1 into 12 plus 2 into 16. So 12 plus 32, which comes out to be 44. So 44 Dalton is the molecular mass of the carbon dioxide. Next is MgCl2, which means Mg stands for magnesium and Cl2 means chloride. So you have magnesium chloride. Alright. So MgCl2 means one atom of magnesium plus two atom of chlorine. So you have 1. Magnesium is 24. Plus 2 into 35.5. So it is 24 plus 35 का डबल 70 और हाफ 1 मतलब 71. So it comes out to be 95 Dalton. Dalton. If last line is not visible, then I am writing here also. You people write it down only. 95 Dalton. Now we move on to the next one. NaOH. Very easy. Sab 1 hai. What is the name of the compound? NaOH.
Sodium hydroxide.
Yes. OH stands for the hydroxide group. So it will be
Miss
sodium.
is not able to see. Miss, do
Sodium.
left side. Yes.
Sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide, when we write down, it is 1 sodium, 1 oxygen and 1 hydrogen. Right?
23.
Let's do that. So we are going to have 1 sodium plus 1 oxygen plus 1 hydrogen. Sodium is 23 plus oxygen is 16 plus hydrogen is 1. So 1 into 23 is 23. 1 into 16 is 16. And 1 into 1 is 1. So answer comes out to be 40 Dalton. Now PO4 is phosphate group. So what will be the name of the compound? Aluminium phosphate.
Potassium oxygen.
Aluminium phosphate. 40 Dalton के बाद में the next one is aluminium phosphate. So aluminium phosphate, it will be 1 aluminium plus 1 phosphorus plus 4 oxygen. So we have 1 aluminium we have 27 plus 1. Phosphate we have 31. Phosphorus, and oxygen we have 16. So 1 into 27 is 27 plus 1 into 31 is 31 plus 4 into 16. 16 fours are 64.
Phosphorus is not given.
Can you repeat?
Miss, here phosphorus is not given.
हाँ, so please you write down that the atomic mass of phosphorus is 31. P फिर ब्रैकेट में 31 वहाँ पे आप लिख दो. All these things are by hearted by me, so I didn't see that page. So you can just add up into that page that phosphorus is 31. So let's do the addition. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12. Carry 1, 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12. 122. Okay. So what you write down? Molecular mass of aluminum phosphate is 122 Dalton. Now the last one, it is NaHCO3. NaHCO3. So it is, children just understand, CO3 is the carbonate group. This is sodium. When the letter H comes in between, that is used as bi. Sodium bicarbonate. Potassium bicarbonate. If H comes in between the group of carbonated and the element, so it is sodium bicarbonate. So you have NaHCO3. So it is 1H plus 1 Na plus 1H plus 1C plus 3 oxygen. So it is 23. Sorry, 1 into 23 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 12 plus 3 into 16. अभी तक तो ना ये सब तुमको बाय हार्ट हो जाएगा. कार्बन मतलब 12, ऑक्सीजन मतलब 16. You should be able to. So you have 23 plus 1 plus 12, 16 is 48. Alright, now do the addition. So what you will have, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 3 14, carry 1, so 1 plus 4 5 6 7 8, 84 Dalton. So 84 Dalton is the molecular mass. So molecular mass of sodium carbonate is 84 Dalton. Okay. Now let us go to 7th question. Deduce the number of molecules. 6th question we will be doing little later. Let us, all of us, gain a confidence about solving of sums, then we will go. Okay. So 7th question, deduce the number of molecules of the following compounds in the given quantity. क्वांटिटी दिया है आपको, उसमें से नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स फाइंड आउट करना है. So let's do.
Teacher,
yes,
can you please repeat? Your voice is very low.
we will do question 6 later. Question number 7 we are doing now.
Okay, teacher.
So first question is 32 grams of oxygen. Children, all the things are given in grams and you have to find out the number of molecules. में कितने हैं, इतने में कितने molecule आते हैं, that you are going to find out. But for that you should know moles, क्योंकि एक मोल के अंदर एवोगैड्रो नंबर होते हैं, isn't it? So first of all we should convert it into moles, right? So moles is what? Molecular mass expressed in grams. So what is your duty? First of all, find out the molecular mass of oxygen. Are you getting the idea? So first of all, we'll write down molecular mass of oxygen. Now oxygen is what? Diatomic in nature, isn't it? So 2 into O. So 2 into 16, that is 32 Dalton. And therefore 1 mole is equal to 32 grams. Do you agree? Molecular mass expressed in grams. Is this part clear? So that means what? 32 grams will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. ये नंबर लर्न कर लो. मॉलिक्यूल्स भी हमारे पास कितना है? अरे 32 ग्राम्स, ये तो आंसर आ गया. ओवर. अगर यहाँ पे कुछ अलग होता है ना 64 या, तो हम लोग 32 पे इतना तो 64 पे कितना, लाइक दैट यूनिटरी मेथड ऑफ सॉल्विंग सम्स वी विल बी डूइंग. सो गॉट इट? सो फर्स्ट सम गॉट ओवर, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. Now let's go towards the next second sum, and that is given as 90 grams of water. So you have 90 grams of water. तो सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? You will find out the molecular mass of water. What is the formula for water? Do you know?
HO2.
Yes, H2O. So it is 2 atoms of hydrogen plus 1 atom of oxygen. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. So 2 plus 16, that comes out to be 18. Dalton. So 18 grams is equal to 1 mole of water. Agreed? How many grams we have? So 90 grams कितना? Cross multiply 90 into 1 upon 18. I hope you know this method, unitary method. Multiply this and divide by 18. 18 5s are. So what you will have? 5 moles. Correct? Is this part clear? तो 5 मोल्स है. अभी 1 मोल्स में 6.022 into 10 raised to 3. तो फिर 5 में मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 है ना. सो व्हाट यू विल हैव 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू, और कंटेन्स वर्ड लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, कंटेन्स 6.022 इंटू 10⁻23 मॉलिक्यूल्स. तो 5 moles how much? Five into 6.022 into 10⁻23 molecules. So if you leave your answer this way, it's okay, absolutely right. अभी इतना बड़ा मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऐसे सब करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. करोगे तो भी चलेगा, नहीं करोगे तो भी चलेगा. ओके, बट
Okay, teacher.
डू यू वॉन्ट मी टू डू दिस मल्टीप्लिकेशन? एटलीस्ट वन सम में दिखा दूँ. ओके, सी चिल्ड्रन, आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस. ये 10⁻23 तो ऐसा ही है. ठीक है, अभी मल्टीप्लाई करती हूँ. 5 2 10, कैरी 1, 5 2 10 प्लस 1 11, कैरी 1, 5 0 0, और उसका ये 1 का 1 है ही, राइट. डेसिमल पॉइंट 5 6 30. सो व्हाट यू विल हैव 30.110 इंटू 10⁻23 molecules. And if you remember, we always write the answer when the one number between 0 to 9. This 30 को I will write a 3 into 10. आपको यहाँ पे भी छोड़ देना तो भी चलेगा, but this is the ideal way. The first digit should be between 0 to 9. So 3.110 into 10⁻24 molecules. This is the correct answer. So even if you leave your answer here, that's okay. This is the further guidance given by me. But is the method clear?
Yes, miss.
चलो, तो ऐसे ही हम लोग सबका करेंगे. Now you have 8.8 grams of carbon dioxide. So what we will do first? Molecular mass of carbon dioxide we will find out. So it is carbon dioxide. That means what? 1 carbon plus 2 oxygen. So 1 into 12 plus 2 into 16. So that means 12 plus 32, which comes out to be 44. हम लोग इससे पहले ही सॉल्व किया था. 44 आया था. Right. So now what argument you will have? 44 grams is 1 mole. अभी आपको कितना दिया है? 8.8. That is how much? So that way we will do. So we can write down that 44 grams of carbon dioxide is 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So 44 gram is 1 mole. तो अपने पास कितना है? 8.8 ग्राम ना. So how much? So just do it. 8.8 multiply by 1 divide by 44. Correct? So 8.8 can be written as 88/10 into 1/44. Now can you do the cancellation? 44 2s and 2/10, that is 0.2. Correct? 0.2 or 2/10, whatever way you wanted to write down. So we got the answer as 0.2 moles. See, the method is first find the molecular mass, convert into grams to get the number of moles. Once you get the number of moles, then you have to write down that 1 mole contains Avogadro's number. So whatever moles you are getting, that many will be how much. So how will you do it? 1 mole contains Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. So 0.2 mole contains how much? Again go for the cross multiplication. ये cross multiplication जम गया तो कोई problem नहीं है. So it will be 0.2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. बस छोड़ दो. This will be your answer. चलेगा इतना. Got it? Now let us go towards the next sum. 7.1 grams of chlorine. If you can solve it further, you can solve it, no problem in that. Okay, just double ही करना है, कोई difficult नहीं है. 2/10 है ना, तो मैं दिखा देती हूँ. चलो ये भी. So अपॉन में 10 है, so एक कम कर दो. यहाँ पे 10 raised to 22 आ जाएगा. और यहाँ पे करोगे तो डबल करो 44 0 और ये आ गया 12 आ गया. So when it will come to 12, so it will 1 decimal if you will shift, again it will be 10 raised to 23. Got it? जिसको समझा उसको ठीक है, otherwise you can just end up your answer here also, no issues. But the multiplication is not difficult. That is what I mean to say. Now 7.1 grams of chlorine. Chlorine also diatomic in nature, children. So you will have 2. So write down the molecular mass of chlorine will be 2 into Cl. So 2 into 35.5. So 2 into 35.5, which comes out to be 71. So what does it mean? 71 grams of chlorine is 1 mole of chlorine. But how much you are having? 7.1 grams. That is equal to how much? So how will you do? 7.1 into 1 upon 71. So 71 will cancel 1 upon 10. मतलब क्या? 0.1 moles of chlorine. Now what will write down? 1 mole contains Avogadro's number 0.62 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Therefore 0.1 mole contains how much? So it will be 0.1 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So it will be, see, the answer is this only, let it be, or 1 upon 10 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. तो एक कम हो जाएगा, 1 into this is this 6.022 into 10 raised to now 22. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. एक 10 कम हो जाता है 23 में से, इट विल कम. ओके, प्लीज ट्राई टू राइट डाउन द आंसर इन वर्ड्स कंप्लीटली वंस अगेन. Write quickly. Now we will move on to the 8th question. 0.2 moles of the following substance are required. How many grams of the substance should be taken? आपको कितना चाहिए? कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है, उसके लिए आपको 0.2 मोल्स है. तो हम लोग ग्राम्स में कितना लेना चाहिए, कितना मैं मंगवाऊंगी. जब मैं लेबोरेटरी में मंगाऊँ तो मेरे को ग्राम्स में मंगवाना पड़ेगा, उनको मोल्स नहीं समझता है. ठीक है, तो सोडियम क्लोराइड, मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड एंड कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. I am going to do only one. You are going to do the remaining two. Something you should do. Now which one should I take, that you tell me. क्लोरीन वाला दूँ जहाँ पे, बिकॉज वो पॉइंट्स में आता है ना. I'll take the very first one only. Sodium chloride. So it is sodium chloride. What is the molecular mass? One time Na plus one time Cl, मतलब 23. One time 23 plus one time 35.5. That means 23 plus 35.5. 0.5 ऐसे ही रहा. 3 plus 5 8, 2 plus 3 5, 58.5 Dalton. So that means what? One mole of NaCl is 58.5 grams, isn't it? But how much you want? Therefore 0.2 moles is how much? So it will be 0.2 cross multiply 0.2 into 58.5. ऑल राइट. कन्फ्यूजन होता है तो पॉइंट का पहले ऐसे डिवाइड कर लो, फिर कर लेना, कोई इश्यू नहीं है. 2 5 ज़ा 5 1 ज़ा अगेन 5 1 ज़ा 3 बचे 117. So it is 117 upon 10, which is 11.7 grams. So what is the answer? 0.2 moles of NaCl is equal to 11.7 grams of NaCl. Got it?